Welcome to the Symphony of the Farmyard, where the clucking chorus of chickens forms the heartwarming soundtrack to an age-old dance between human and bird. Today the spotlight falls on an essential part of this dance, the task of feeding and watering chickens. But here's a twist. We're doing it for free. Yes, you heard it right, for free. Now, you might be wondering, how does one go about feeding and watering chickens without spending a dime? Well, it's simpler than you might think. It all comes down to 3 key steps: foraging, recycling, and creating a self-replenishing water system. First up, foraging. Chickens are natural foragers. They love to roam around, pecking at the ground in search of tasty treats. By allowing your chickens to forage in a safe, contained outdoor area, you're not only providing them with a rich, varied diet, but you're also helping to keep your garden free from pests. Insects, weeds, and even the occasional small rodent form part of a chicken's natural diet, providing them with the proteins and nutrients they need. Next, recycling. You know those kitchen scraps that usually end up in the bin? Well, they could be going straight into your chicken's feed instead. Vegetable peels, stale bread, leftover rice. These are all perfect for your chickens. Just ensure to avoid anything toxic, such as onions, chocolate, or avocado skins. By recycling your kitchen scraps, you're not only reducing waste, but you're also providing your chickens with a diverse, nutritious diet. Finally, let's talk about watering. To create a self-replenishing water system, all you need is a bucket and a shallow trough. Fill the bucket with water and place it at a height above the trough. Then, simply create a small hole at the bottom of the bucket. The water will flow slowly from the bucket into the trough, ensuring your chickens always have access to fresh water. So to summarize, feeding and watering your chickens for free involves 3 main steps. Foraging. Letting your chickens roam in a safe outdoor area where they can find their own food. Recycling, reusing your kitchen scraps as chicken feed, and creating a self-replenishing water system using a simple bucket and trough setup to provide your chickens with a constant supply of water. And there you have it. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, you can keep your chickens fed and watered without spending a single cent. So why not give it a try? After all, happy, well-fed chickens mean a happy, productive farm. And that, dear listeners, truly is the heart of the Farmyard Symphony.